Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the after school to college. It is a funny name. It gives the idea about the different trigonometric formulas in easy way. You can see what is after school to college. Here we can divide the total four parts. What is the four parts? Here you can see the circle. It is total sum of the angles in a circle is 360 degrees. You can cut into the four parts. 360 by 4 is equal to 90 degrees. 360 by 4 is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, each part is called here to here is 90 degrees. Here to here is called 90 degrees. Here to here is called 90 degrees. Therefore, you can add all four parts. It is 0 degree. You start with 0. 0 to 90 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. 270 plus 90 is 360. Like this, you can write as it is 0 degrees and it is 90 degrees and it is 180 degrees. It is 270 degrees. Last one is on complete rotation is over. Therefore, it comes to 360 degrees. It is the description of the quadrants. Therefore, it is called quadrant 1, first quadrant. It is called quadrant 2. It is called quadrant 3. It is called quadrant 4. Quadrant means you can divide the 12 months by 4. You get 3. That is quarterly examination. Quarterly examination means 1/4 of the year. That like that you can divide the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It is four parts of the quadrants. Coming to the next one, what is after? What is school? What is to? What is college? Before saying this, you can see in first quadrant, what is the angle lies? 0 plus something. What is that something? 0 plus theta. Next 90. You can subtract something from 90. You get in first quadrant. You lies in first quadrant. 90 minus 1, that is 89. 90 minus 10, that is 80. 90 minus 20, that is 70. Therefore, 70 degrees is in first quadrant. Next, come to the 360. You can add something. It is also lies in first quadrant. 360 plus theta. These three are lies in first quadrant. Come to the second quadrant. 90 plus theta. 90 plus 1 is 91. 91 is in second quadrant. Next 180 minus theta. 180 minus 2, 180 minus 3. All are lies in second quadrant. Theta means in between 0 and 90. Theta value is in between 0 and 90. Therefore, 180 minus 20 you can take. 180 minus 20 is 160. 160 is in second quadrant. Okay. Next, come to the third quadrant. You can add something to 180. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Next, 270 minus theta. Are you clear? 270 minus something is third quadrant. 180 plus something is third quadrant. Next, similarly, 270 plus something is theta is fourth quadrant. 360 minus something is in fourth quadrant. Only 0 minus theta is in fourth quadrant. It is simply, sometimes we say that it is minus theta. You can remember both are same. 0 minus theta or simply minus theta is in fourth quadrant. These are the angles related to the different quadrants. Come to the A. What is meant by A? A means all trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sine, cos, tan. These are the trigonometric ratios. What are the reciprocals of the trigonometric ratios? For sine, cosecant. For cos, secant. for tan cot. This is the meaning of the all. All means A means all. All means sine, cosecant, cos, secant, tan, cot. You have to remember. Come to the school. What is the first letter in the school? S. S means the trigonometric ratio which starts with S. Here, these are the three trigonometric ratios. One is sine, second one is cos, third one is tan. These three are, for sine, cosecant is the reciprocal. For cos, secant is the reciprocal. For tan, cot is the reciprocal. That you have to remember. Come to the S. First letter is S. S is S for sine. S for sine. Sine, what is the reciprocal? Cosecant. For sine, reciprocal is cosecant. These two ratios are in second quadrant. Next, come to the 2. 2 means the trigonometric ratio which starts with T. T means tan. 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 What is the reciprocal of the tan? Cot. These two ratios are in third quadrant. Next, come to the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what is the letter? College. College means C. The first letter is C. The trigonometric ratio which starts with C. What is C? Cos. What is the reciprocal of the cos? Secant. This is the layout of the after school to college. Next, come to the this table related to. You can remember what is the first one? 0 degrees. Second degree is 90 degrees. Third one is 180 degrees. Next one is 270 degrees. Next one is 360 degrees. You make the lines two towards right and two towards left. One is right, second one is left. One is right, next one is left. Next is right. Right, left, you can mark the arrows. You can see here, what is the majority? 0, 180, 360. First one is, you can make left or right. What is the majority? 1, 2, 3 are the majority. Therefore, the meaning of the majority is same to same, same to same, same to same. Same to same means, what is same to same? For sine, sine. For cos, cos. For tan, tan. For secant, secant. For cosecant, cosecant. For cot, cot. This is the meaning of the same to same. Sine to sine, cos to cos, tan to tan, secant to secant, cosecant to cosecant, cot to cot. Come to the 90 and 270. 90 and 270. For sine, you can write cos, cosine. For tan, you can write cot. For secant, you can write cosecant, cosecant. Sine cos, cos to sine. Tan to cot, cot to tan. Secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. This you have to remember. By applying these values, you can remember, you can find what is sine. What is sine? 360 plus theta. What is the value of sine 360 plus theta? For applying this, first you can see the value of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine is present, so therefore it is plus. For 360, the angle is 360, same to same. Therefore, here you can write the same. Same means sine. What is here? Theta. That is the application of the formula. Next, come to the cos. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. For applying this, 180 minus theta is in 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. 180 minus in second quadrant, cos lies or not? In second quadrant, the two ratios are sine and cosecant only positive. Remaining four ratios are negative. First quadrant all positive. In second quadrant only two ratios. What are they? Sine and cosecant only positive. The remaining four ratios are negative. That means if any ratio appears in the quadrants, that only positive, the remaining are negative. Therefore, in second quadrant cos is not appears, because in second quadrant school means sine and cosecant only appears. Therefore, 180 minus theta in second quadrant cos is not appears. Therefore, it indicates negative sign. It indicates not negative sign. Next, for 180 same to same. Therefore, cos theta. Next, come to the secant 270 plus theta, like this. You can take another example. What is the ratio here? 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means 90 is first quadrant, 180 is up to 180 second quadrant, up to 270 third quadrant, 360 fourth quadrant. Therefore, 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant. 270 plus something is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant presents or not? Secant present in fourth quadrant. Therefore, plus for 270 for secant we get cosecant. Therefore, cosecant. What is here? Theta. Therefore, cosecant theta. 2100. Next, sine 2100. Like this, you can find the bigger angles in a similar way. For this, you can write the simple table for remembering the ratios of the sine values and cos values. First, you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all values by 4. Next, take square root for all. You can simplify it. What is the 0 by something? 0. Root 1 is 1. Root 4 is 1 by 2. Root 2, 1 by 2. You can cancel it. 1 by 2. It becomes simplification. It is root 1 by root 2. Root 3. Root 4 is 2. 4 cancel 1. It is the first values of 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This is the first sine value. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1 by 2. Are you clear? First we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can divide all by 4. You can take root and simplify. You get 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. You can see the values. Okay, this is sine value. You can write last one 1, next one root 3 by 2, next one 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Last one first. Okay, it is cos. What is tan? Sine by cos. Tan is sine by cos. 0 by 1, that is equal to 0 by anything is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 cancel. What happened? 1 by root 3. Root 2 cancel. 1 same values. 1 by sine by cos. Next, root 3 by 2 cancel. Root 3. Anything by 0 is equal to not defined or infinity. By this, come to the secant 2100. It can be written as secant 6 into 360 minus 60. How to write this value? 6 into 360 into 6 is equal to 0. 36, 3, 18, 21. 2100 and 2160 minus 60 is equal to 2100. Like this we can write secant 6 into 360 minus 60, therefore 2100. Here you can see this value. You can ignore this 6 value. That means you can see what indicates the 6. It is if one complete rotation is over, that is 360. You can take another rotation, it is 720. You can take another rotation like this. You can take 6 rotations. After 6 rotations, you get 1160. That means 360 into 6 means total 6 rotations are completed. But we require 2100. Therefore, you can subtract 60 value. You get 2100. Therefore, it means 6 rotations. Therefore, 360 minus theta is like 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta is in 4th quadrant. 360 minus theta is in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, college means cos and secant are positive. Remaining 4 values are negative. Therefore, it is positive plus. If 360 is appears in the first ratio, you can see 360. For 360, same to same. For 360, same to same. Therefore, secant 60. Secant 60 means reciprocal of the cos. Cos 60. What is the cos 60 value? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as 2. Here, like this, we can simply derive the value of 2100 by using the algebra methods or after school to college under this table. Come to the next value, sin 2100. Sin 2100 is equal to, similarly you can write sin 6 into 360 minus 60. Here also 360 minus theta, right? 360 minus theta is in 4th quadrant, but sin not lies in 4th quadrant. Only cos and secant is positive. Sin not lies in 4th quadrant. Therefore, in 4th quadrant sin is negative. For 360 same to same. Therefore, sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. The value of the sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, minus root 3 by 2. It is the value of sin 2100. Like this, we can find cos 2100. That is equal to, in simple way, you can write cos 6 into 360 minus 60. It is in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, cos is positive. Therefore, cos 360 you can write same to same. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by. Like this, we can easily find the bigger angles in the simple way. Similarly, most probably we can forget the sin 360 value, sin 270 value, cos 360 value like this. You can see what is the sin 360 value. Sin 360 value. You can easily write sin 360 plus 0. Sin 360 plus 0. 360 plus theta is in 360 plus theta is in first quadrant. Therefore, it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin is positive. All are positive. In first quadrant, all are positive. Therefore, sin 360 plus 0 is sin 0, because for 360 same to same. Therefore, sin 0 is 0. Similarly, cos 360 plus 0, cos 360 value. You can separately calculate sin 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90 4 times. For calculating the sin 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90, or you can directly find the sin 360 value like this. Okay, cos 360 plus 0. Cos 360 plus 0 is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. Therefore, positive. For 360, you get cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Next, tan. Similarly, you can write tan 360. Tan 360 can be written as tan 360 plus 0, that is equal to same first quadrant. In first quadrant tan all are positive, 360 means same to same, tan 0. Tan 0 means 0, tan 0 means 0, therefore tan 0 is 0. Next, cot 360 is equal to cot 360 plus 0. Cot 360 plus 0 is in first quadrant, same to same, cot 0. Cot 0 means 1 by tan 0. Because cot is reciprocal of the tan, therefore 1 by 0, that is equal to not defined. Not defined or infinite. Not defined or infinite. Next, secant 360. It can be written as easily secant 360 plus 0, that is equal to, in first quadrant all are positive, secant 0. Secant 0 means 1 by cos 0. 1 by cos 0 means cos 0 1, that is equal to 1. Finally, cosecant 360, that is equal to cosecant 360 plus 0, that is equal to same cosecant 0. Cosecant means reciprocal of the sine. 1 by sin 0. 1 by sin 0 means 1 by 0 is not defined. Similarly, you can find the 270 values also. Sin 270 is equal to sin 270 plus 0. Sin 270 plus something. Okay. You can remember it as 270 plus something. Therefore, 270 value is sin for 270 is in 270 plus 0 is in fourth quadrant. 270 plus 0 is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin not lies because only cos and secant. You can remember college means cos and secant are lies. Therefore, it is negative. Sin not lies. Therefore, negative. For 270, for sin you can write cos 0. Cos 0 means minus 1. You can see cos 0 is 1. Therefore, minus 1. Similarly, cos 270 is equal to cos 270 plus 0. It is also fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Therefore, sin 0. Sin 0 means 0. Sin 0 means 0. Similarly, you can write tan 270 plus 0. Tan 270 plus 0 is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. That is cot 0. For 270 you can write cot 0. Cot 0 is minus 1 by tan 0. Tan 0 value is 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 0 is not defined. Like this, you can write all the values. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate the sin 180. Sin 180 is equal, you can easily remember sin 180 plus 0. 180 plus 0 is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan means 2. After school to college, 2 means tan and cot are positive. Remaining 4 quadrants are negative. Therefore, for 180 you can write sin, same to same. For 180 same to same, sin 0, that is 0. Next, cos 180. Cos 180 can be written as cos 180 plus 0. 180 plus 0 is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is negative. Cos is negative. For cos, same to same, cos 0. Cos 0 means minus 1. Similarly, you can find all the remaining values. This is the easy technique by applying the alphabetical or after school to college and table value. You can find the biggest value in the similar way. But like this, finally, one example I will give. Sin 420 is equal to 420 minus 360. What it gives? 60. Therefore, 420 can be written as sin 360 plus 60. Simply you can remember it is in first quadrant. 360 plus theta is in first quadrant. Therefore, 360 plus theta is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. Therefore, for 360 same to same. Therefore, sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Therefore, similarly, tan 420. Tan 420 can be written as tan 4 360 plus 60 because it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, same to same. Tan 60. Tan 60 degrees value is, you can see that tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Like this, you can easily find out by measuring the after school to college and this simple technique table. We can find the largest value in a similar manner, simple manner. Okay. Next, come to the by using this total after school to college, you can write the 60 formulas in the single table. I will do the table finally. Come to this table. How to helps this shortcut to find the different angles in the trigonometric ratios. Okay, here you can see these are the options: 0 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, finally minus theta or 0 minus theta. Both are same, minus theta and 0 minus theta. For all these values, you can remember this after school to college. By remembering this table, you can write all these formulas. How to write these formulas? You can check 180 minus theta. Here you can see, first I will give you the one example. 180 minus theta cos. Here you can see cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosecant only present because school means first letter is S. S means the trigonometric ratio which starts with S means sine. For reciprocal, sine reciprocal is cosecant. Only two ratios are positive in second quadrant. Remaining four ratios are negative. Therefore, you can see 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Therefore, in second quadrant, cos not appears. Therefore, negative. For 180 here you can see for 180 the arrow mark is right side. Therefore, same to same. 180 arrow mark is to right side. Same to same. Same to same means you can write cos theta. Therefore, cos. It is the formula. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Similarly, cosecant 180 minus theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta. Cosecant is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. Therefore, cosecant 180 minus theta is same to same. That is cosecant theta. Similarly, 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, only tan and cot positive. Tan and cot positive. Remaining are negative. Therefore, you can take sin 270 minus theta. Sin 270 minus theta is in because for 270 it is left. Left means for sin, you can write cos. Therefore, in 270 minus theta, sin 270 minus theta is minus cos theta. Next, come to the another one, 270 plus theta. Now you can take secant 270 plus theta. Here you can see 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative. Therefore, here you can see secant is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant is positive. Therefore, it gives positive. For secant, 270 means for secant you can write cosecant you can write secant. Therefore, for secant you can write cosecant. Therefore, 270 secant to 270 plus theta is cosecant theta. Like this, you can fill all the 60 formulas in the single table, single stretch. Okay, bye.